In Ezekiel, he spoke to the prophet, and he said, if you'll come up to the mountain of Bama, I'll meet you there. So, Alabama's God's country. And I can prove it. It's right here. So the king got all of his soldiers, his chariots, his horses, and his warmen, and marched down to Dothan at night and completely circled the city. Early the next morning, Elisha's servant, his associate pastor, got up, and as he normally did, he came outside to retrieve the Dothan Gazette for his master, and he bent down and picked up the paper and looked up, and everywhere he looked, there were soldiers and horses. He panicked. He ran back into the house shouting, Master, what are we going to do? We are surrounded. They're going to kill us. And Elisha had already been in his devotion, and he's having a good day, and he just said, son, just calm down. Don't worry about it. They that are with us are more than they that are with them.
Yes. Yes.
And the young associate said, I don't understand. I took math. There's me and you. That's two. And there's thousands of them. And Elisha just reached over and touched him and said, Father, open his eyes that he can see. What we need in the church tonight is eyes that can see beyond the natural. We need to understand. I'm not a little big mathematician, never did well in school with it, but the Bible says when Lucifer rebelled against God and was cast out of heaven, that he took a third of the host of heaven with him. Well, if the devil took a third, that means 2/3 was left. That means God has 2 angels for every demon. The Bible says that the angels of God encamp around about them that love him and fear his name. We don't have to be afraid. They that are with us are more than they that are with them. Our God is the victor. Our God has
Come on, preach, Pastor.
He doesn't want us to retreat. He doesn't want us to back off. He doesn't want us to have pity parties. He wants us to rise up as the warriors of the cross. And
come on, preach.
If we're going to do that, we're going to have to have eyes to see
Jesus.
beyond this natural. See, my doctors, they were speaking what was natural.
Yes.
And everything they said happened. Thank God I had a wife that wasn't bound by that. Thank God I had a praying church. Hundreds of praying friends that didn't accept that. And we went beyond that into the supernatural. I'm going to close and we're going to